In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect CheckoutJoy with HighLevel so that you can use your local payment processes to sell your courses and memberships in HighLevel. So if you're selling courses or memberships in HighLevel, then this integration allows you to connect your own payment processor and hook up a seamless checkout experience for your customers using CheckoutJoy. We support payment providers around the world, from Mercado Pago in South America to Xendit in Asia and Intstamojo and Razorpay in India, so you can sell using your local providers and offer your customers the payment methods and currencies that they know and trust. You can even connect multiple payment processes to the same checkout or customize the payment options and currencies for your global audience based on where they're from. So in this video, I'll take you through the complete process to connect CheckoutJoy with HighLevel. We'll install the app, set up the checkouts, do a quick demo checkout, and see how everything ties together. It takes about 10 minutes to complete start to finish. You don't need any coding or tech knowledge, so let's dive in. All right, let's get started. So in your CheckoutJoy account, you go to Settings and Integrations, and you select the HighLevel integration, and you select the Install App button. So this takes you to the Go HighLevel Marketplace with the CheckoutJoy app, the information. You scroll down, you install. It will ask you to select your super cool HighLevel. So this is an existing course, say maybe in your HighLevel account that you're gonna sell. You can add images if you want. I'm gonna skip that for now. The thank you page is important. That's where the customer is taken off the successful checkout. I'm gonna make this our homepage, checkoutjoy.com. All right, HighLevel settings, very important. So these are the tags where if we create a contact after checkout, a contact is created in your HighLevel account and they're tagged with these tags that you add here. So I'm going to call this one super cool so that you know which product was bought. And also you can add multiple tags. I'm going to add CheckoutJoy so that we know where this customer did the checkout. All right, billing information, you can do once-off payments, payment plan, or recurring subscription, whatever you need. I'm going to leave this US dollars for 99 US. I'm going to create the product. Perfect. So now we have created the product in CheckoutJoy with two tags, one called Super Cool and one called CheckoutJoy. Okay, so the next step would be in your HighLevel account. So we want to make sure that we create an automation that is triggered as soon as a contact is tagged with Super Cool or CheckoutJoy tags. So in your HighLevel account, I'm logged into HighLevel here. I'm going to automation, and this is where you create workflows. So I'm going to create a new workflow. I'm going to start from scratch because it's a pretty simple workflow. Our trigger is going to be when a contact is tagged, and the action is going to be to grant them access to an offer. All right, so this is the workflow builder in HighLevel. I'm going to add a new trigger. What we're looking for is this trigger, contact tag. And it's pretty simple. It means that when a contact is, a tag is added, so you can have tag added or tag removed. So let's do tag added. And the tag we're looking for is super cool. So that was the one that we've just added to the product in CheckoutJoy. Okay, and the action, of course, we add another action to the workflow, and a pretty simple one, course grant offer in this case. You can use any of the actions in the HighLevel workflows, which means you can do super cool, powerful stuff, send emails, Slack, voice notes, this, that, do AI stuff. This is what makes this integration so powerful. For now, we're just gonna do course grant offer. So I've got a course in my HighLevel account, and I have an offer linked to it. So it's called Super Cool Course. They will give you everything you need. You save the action, and in its easiest form, this is all you need. You've got the trigger when a contact is added, when a contact is tagged, and the action, you grant offer, grant access. All right, I'm gonna save this. Thank you, and I'm gonna publish it. This is now live. Let's give this workflow a nice name. Let's call it Super Cool CheckoutJoy. All right. Okay. so the workflow is completed, it's published. Let's go back to CheckoutJoy, set up our checkout, do a quick demo checkout, and see how everything fits together. Okay, so back in CheckoutJoy, we go to edit checkout. So this is the product that we've created. So every product has a default checkout page in CheckoutJoy. We call it the product checkout page, and it looks something like this. A 2-column with your form and your payment processors. So you can connect any of our supported payment processors. There's Crypto, Klarna, Mercado Pago, Stripe, PayPal, Paystack in Africa, Razorpay, Intstamojo for India, Vips in Norway, Xendit in the Philippines. You can connect anyone. To make this a bit simple, the demo, I'm gonna use Stripe only. So I'm just deselecting everything. These are all accounts connected to my account. You will only see your connected accounts. Let's activate Stripe. Yeah. And for form fields, I want to collect the billing address as well. All right. Okay, this is our checkout. Let's view. There we go. That's your checkout link that you will share with your customers. You can link it to your custom domain, or it's on a CheckoutJoy domain. These are all settings that it's very customizable. All right, let's quickly complete this checkout. So I'm using a test email, mailing@checkoutjoy.com. Let's do the address. Obviously, with CheckoutJoy, you can add VAT number and business name if you have automatic VAT calculation enabled feature. I'll leave that for now. I'm not purchasing as a business. And that's it. So this is a test Stripe account. I'm just going to enter the test card number for Stripe. All right, there we go. Anything. That's it. All right. So after payment is completed, you'll be redirected to the thank you page like this, which means payment was processed successfully and the activation on HighLevel happened. So what we can do now, by the time they reach this, they've already been added in HighLevel. So this is in my HighLevel account. You go to contacts and we're looking for the email that we've just used. That's the one, mailing plus test, and last activity right now, and there you can see the 2 tags that was added, super cool and CheckoutJoy. All right, that's super cool. So let's go to the automation, and in this one you'll see that for this workflow, total enrolled is 1, which means that my user has been granted access to this offer. You can see the enrollment history. There we go. The tag was, the trigger was that the tag was added. The action was that the course was granted, which means that the demo is completed. We've connected CheckoutJoy with HighLevel. We've done the checkout, done the workflows, and everything is completed.